Absolutely fantastic, yes. Yeah, for me and all the team, the feedback's been great with how the stand looks, with what we're showing. We love it, yeah. And we'll be looking probably next year, we'll be upgrading again. So we'll be trying to do something bigger and better, hopefully, making a few changes, and we'll be coming to Quadrant for that. We're able to work with our stands in so many different ways because it's modular. We have a lot of different graphics options, which is great. So when we come and set up, we're able to tailor it to exactly what we're trying to achieve at that particular show. So for DSEI, we've got a nice wide open space, plenty of room for meetings, but we're also able to showcase products as well. So on all of those fronts, the stand design really works well for us. We finished the show in Aberdeen on Friday. In a completely different industry. We've travelled overnight down to London to set up on Saturday, and then got the stand set up for DSEI. And it was so easy because of the design and the way that the system works, and that it's modular and we can move things around how we need for each exhibition. We could do that direct transition, which is fantastic for an SME like us. It really provides that flexibility. Actually, really supportive. So every year we need to change something, or we need to add something, replace some little bits and pieces, have some new graphics printed, and Quadrant are very responsive in getting back to us. Really able to support us in those changes and help with that design as well. So every time we attend a show, Quadrant set out the design for us, even though we're building it, make a layout, make it nice and simple for us to follow the instruction, and we end up with something that looks fantastic.